Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do some practical about traversing of an array. We already discussed this topic there, traverse. What is the traversing of an array? Uh, Let me have some review about it. Assessing the element of an array is called traversing of an array. In traversing operation of an array, each element of an array is assessed exactly for once for processing. This is also called visiting of an array. Then we have a look upon this example. In this example, we use this traversing of an array to show odd number among all these numbers which we already have given here. So now we have some practical about this program. This one already we have done it. Now we are going to open a new window and traversing of an array. This one is our program. Dash include, first of all we include some header file iostream.h and then hash include main function, and then first of all we must declare an array int a and also as well as the declaration we define the values of an array 3 comma 2 comma 7 comma 5 comma 8 and terminator. Now we are going to apply for integer I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, I is less than 5 because our array limit we already display here is 5. How we can know that what are the array limit? Just to show the data element. By showing the data element, we can see that our array element is declared. So now I am showing if a mod a if a I mod 2 is not equal to 0, then cout a I cout a I and NL and L terminator, and then we close the for loop and then we write it get ch here and terminator and this one CLRACR. And now we are going to save this program. Traversing. Okay. Now we are going to run this program. This program has some error. What is an error? Here is an error. Again, run the program. Again, include. This one was the spelling mistake. For here, in this here we have a bracket. We must forget to give the bracket here 357. As you know, students, in this program, first of all, we must here we declare some array, declare an initialization of an array. Here we are using for loop to access the elements of an array, and this one is check the condition to show even numbers, odd numbers, odd numbers, and this one all these lines we must write in the form of comments, and this one is the output of the program. So this program is run by the here that if integer a 32758 integer I 0 integer is I is less than 5 I plus plus, then this a mod checks the reminder of the this a mod check that if reminder of this any digit is not equal to 0, then it show the odd numbers. So this one our first program for to show the traversing of an array. And then, dear students, we already have a look upon another topic, which is size of operator. This one is the size of the operator. Size of operator is that operator which evaluate the size of data type, constants or variable. It is a compile time operator, and then its size of operator is used to show the size of the amount of RAM which occupy in the computer of that operator. Also, this one is the program of size of operator. Now we have a look upon this program. We are using what size of operator include string dot h and hash include on dot h and main function, and then mm, clear screen, and then we are going to show the size of the operator integer a. And dear students, as you already know that we haven't mentioned some fixed size over here, because when we initialize some value of the array, it shows the total size of the array. Now we didn't mention any size over here, but when we initialize this value, this array have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then size it the array of this array size becomes 5. Out out cout and then size of an array, size of an array, this one. Then we use size of a close, and then get ch and get ch, this one, and then end of the program. Then we are going to save our program, size of okay, and then we are going to run this program, and size of the array is 10. And you people see that we already mentioned 5 elements are here. Each element takes 2 bytes in the memory, so total 10 bytes size of shows here. We can also write here bytes. We can write here, then we can see that size of array is 10 bytes. Now you can have a look, size of array in 10 bytes in the memory. So if we are going to increase some elements, 5, 6, 7. Now when we run this program, you can see that 16, because array elements are now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then if we 8 and 9, 9. Now we already given this 10 elements, 10 size of array become 20. So dear students, you can see that by using this program, this one is going to clear the screen, and this one is shows initialization and declaration of an array, and here we use size of operator, size of operator to show the size of an array, as well as, and this one is our total program. Again we can see that size of an array is 20 bytes. If we are going to decrease the size, if I'm going to decrease the size, and then we can have a look upon it, 4 bytes only. If we have given only one element, then 2 bytes. So it is clear that only one element can contain 2 bytes in the memory. And then we show by using size of operator to get the size of the elements in the memory. So today, dear students, we already discussed two topics. Number one, we have already discussed the traversing of an array, and then we discussed the size of an operator, and also we have a look upon the practical implementation of all these two items. Thank you. That's all for today.